I'm going to make this really easy for you so that you're clear on YouTube's new monetization program so that you can start earning money from YouTube by creating content, even if you have a small channel on YouTube. This is game changing. I'm so excited to share this with you. So previously, the way that you could monetize your YouTube channel is that you had to hit certain requirements, which included having at least 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and either 4,000 watch hours in the past year or 10 million short views in the past 90 days. This has completely changed. So what does YouTube's monetization program now look like? Well, you're in for a treat. You only need half the number of subscribers on your YouTube channel, so you only need 500 subscribers. You also had to have uploaded at least 3 public videos to your YouTube channel in the last 90 days, which is pretty easy to achieve, right? And the next thing is that you have 2 options that you need to hit. So either you have 3,000 watch hours in the past year on your YouTube channel, or you have 3 million short views in the last 90 days. YouTube is making it so much more easier for creators like you and also me to join their YouTube partner program. So another thing that you need to be aware of with the new YouTube monetization program is that it's only being rolled out to certain regions around the world. So this includes US, the UK, Canada, Taiwan, and also South Korea. Don't worry if you're not in one of these countries. I'm based in Singapore. We might just have to wait a little bit longer, but nonetheless, we're seeing what is on the horizon for content creators like you and me to start earning more money on YouTube. And I think it's really exciting to see how YouTube is giving back to content creators and really attracting quality content as competition really starts to heat up with Meta and also TikTok. But I just want to share with you what I'm really excited about with YouTube's new monetization program. So YouTube has launched a shop affiliate program. So they're currently testing this in the US with certain creators. And what this means as a creator on YouTube is that you can start earning a commission from YouTube by tagging products in your YouTube shorts or your standard YouTube video. So this means that if you create a video like this, where I'm talking about a camera stand that I used, I got this off Amazon, I can actually tag this camera stand and earn a commission from YouTube. Also, the yellow top that I'm wearing, that's a top that I got from Uniqlo. They also have an affiliate program. You can start tagging also the clothes that you're wearing in your YouTube videos. I absolutely love this. I think this is going to be game changing. It's going to help all of us start earning a lot more money from YouTube. I also came across this webpage on YouTube where it's got a lot of helpful advice about how you can monetize your YouTube channel and earn money from YouTube. So check that out. You can see all the different headings there. If you've got any questions, let me know below. See you next time, and thanks for sticking with me until the end.